Hello guys, welcome back to Unmasking Crypto together with me. I know I've been missing quite some time and finally I had the time and now we are back and I'm going to continue to post more videos daily as how I was doing as usual before. And now let's see what is happening currently in Bitcoin price for this week. And also this week literally there was huge news happened where Trump have announced US and Iran have made an agreement for ceasefire. So Trump had announced this ceasefire will be for the next 2 weeks. After that onwards, we really don't know yet what will happen to this war again. And also, Iran is accepting Bitcoin for the toll payment of the oil tankers. And this is all this huge news which made Bitcoin price to pump until almost $72,000 for this week. After literally last week, due to the war, Bitcoin price was actually moving around this price range. It was doing a sideways between 65 to $70,000, and then after the announcement made by Trump this week, Bitcoin price surged until 71 to $72,000, which was actually a good news for Bitcoin price this week. But how long will this pump continue after this announcement has been made this week? For now, as from my POV, I'm expecting Bitcoin price could go up under $80,000 because if you see the daily time frame, Bitcoin price have clearly gave us the bullish candle breakout because previously Bitcoin price made her lower low and then lower high around this area which was around $72,000. But after this recent news this week, Bitcoin price break the previous lower high and gave us a new higher high, which is until you see the candle has closed at around 71.9k, which is actually a good move of Bitcoin price this week. That is why I'm expecting Bitcoin price could easily or have the high possibility to break this previous high where the candle has closed, which is around $74,000. So I'm expecting Bitcoin price could break this price level around this area where I've put a circle. So this could be for this week. I think it's still not sure yet whether Bitcoin price could break that price level, which is the previous high around March, which it happened. Maybe next week or the following week could happen, but I am pretty sure Bitcoin price very soon could reach $80,000 in the upcoming weeks. But whatever it is, we still have to wait and monitor closely how the price is going to move. And next, we also have CPI news coming up tomorrow, which could really cause an impact for the crypto price and also the forex currencies and also the stock market as well. Because last week when the NFP result came out, it came out as higher than expected, so it really pushed the dollars towards the stronger side. But this week when Trump announced the ceasefire agreement between US and Iran, the dollar index have fallen badly because now you guys see, I'll show you guys. Look, this is when it happened. If I'm not mistaken, this happened on Tuesday after the agreement between US and Iran happened. US and Iran made, because if you guys see, there's still a gap which haven't been filled up yet, because after the agreement has been made between US and Iran, this is how the US index dollar have been the dollar index have been fallen, and I think for sure this gap will be filled and then it will drop even more. Maybe we could see the gap to be closed until here, up here, come until here, and then we could see it downfall of the dollar again. Maybe it could come until here for the meantime. For the dollar index value, we could see the dollar price come down until 98.34. But for now, for this week, I'm not sure yet, but maybe in the following weeks this could happen. But for sure, I'm expecting the dollar index will go and fill up this gap first. And also that is one of the reason I'm also expecting Bitcoin price to reach $80,000. And with all of this, I see that the bear days, the bear days are slowly gonna come to an end for 2026. It's gonna slowly come to an end very soon, and the bull days is gonna be taking over very soon, guys. This is your time to stack up your cryptocurrencies. Do not miss out these discount price of the cryptocurrencies. So I'll show the next video. Stay forward and I'll come with you all my new update. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys.